So join me on a little walking tour. Now this is not a hotel review, and we're just starting off from reception here where the beach is, and we're just going to walk you through and show you what to expect to be staying here and give you a quick look around the grounds. So you're directly on the beach here, so you're just seconds away from the ocean. Lots of private villas with lots of space between all the villas, so you're going to get quite a lot of privacy. So I'm just going to walk you through the grounds here, show you around. We're filming at the moment, 22nd of January. This property is located more on the tranquil side of Gili. Nightlife is more centralised near the harbour area. This is a good 5-10 minute walk depending on your walking speed from the harbour to this resort. Got a little chessboard going on there. Bird feeding going on.
Welcome, sir.
Welcome, thank you. Morning.
Good morning, sir.
A bit of beach volleyball. This would be an absolute lovely setting for a wedding, actually. Lovely infinity pool here and a swim up area to get yourself a drink and cocktail from the bar. Some more accommodation over here. Morning. Okay, and we'll conclude the video there. So if you do like this kind of content, every time I travel now, I do a little vlog of the area, walk around some of the accommodations to give you an idea what you can expect when you're booking. So this isn't a room review, it's just an overview of the grounds. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.